Picture yourself thriving in a rewarding field, helping to rehabilitate patients and inspiring them to move more freely and live life more fully. As a physical therapist assistant, you'll guide and empower patients to prepare for and recover from surgery and to regain strength and mobility after illness and injury. At Penn College, you'll dive into an immersive 2-year associate's degree program designed to prepare you for a career as a licensed physical therapist assistant. Learning alongside faculty with real-world experience and students who share your desire to make a difference, you'll hone your skills in a close-knit and supportive environment where asking questions and connecting with classmates comes easily. Faculty are experienced and engaged. They're passionate about their fields and bring diverse backgrounds, from sports to orthopedics, neurology, and vestibular rehabilitation to women's and pelvic health, home health, and long-term care. This program is totally hands-on. For every hour of lecture, you'll have up to 3 hours in our expansive lab space, designed to mimic real-world rehabilitation settings. You'll practice things like manual muscle testing and wheelchair transfers using equipment just like you'll find in the field. Coursework is comprehensive, so you'll be prepared to provide effective physical therapy interventions for patients of all ages, from newborns to older adults. Clinical education experiences are diverse too. You'll have 3 placements that are selected from over 70 partner sites. These experiences often lead to job offers, even before graduation. In fact, the program has a 100% graduate placement rate. At Penn College, you'll learn and grow inside and outside of class. We've got NCAA Division III athletics, a full calendar of events, and more than 60 clubs and organizations, including the PTA Club, where you'll have an opportunity to participate in community service projects. Ready to learn more? We can't wait to show you around. Schedule your tour today at pct.edu/visit.